Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing data and choosing the right environment. Use Excel Online or Google Sheets for immediate translate functions. Make sure column A contains the text, column B the source language code like N, and column C the target code like EASE. Once done, decide if you need Google Cloud Translate API. That requires a key and billing. Make sure to store the key securely. Then you're ready to enter the first formula into the cell where the translated text will appear. Now implement the formula and configuration. In Google Sheets, enter equals Google Translate, A2, B2, C2, and drag down for bulk rows. This is fastest and free inside Sheets. If you must use desktop Excel, create an Office script or Power Query that posts to Google Translate API using your key, parse JSON, and write the response back into a column. Once configured, test with one row. Make sure to batch requests and respect rate limits to avoid quota errors. Finish by validating and automating safe retries. Once your formula or script returns expected text for sample rows, extend to the full dataset and monitor for API quota or invalid language code errors. These are the most common issues. If you hit failures, implement retry logic with exponential backoff and break large jobs into batches or export CSVs for offline processing. Make sure to log requests and responses. That makes it easier to pinpoint encoding problems or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.